Hi everyone, my name is Aurora and welcome to this video. Today I want to talk to you about one very special outfit that I wore to one very special occasion. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button, like button and keep on watching. Thank you! Before we dive into the outfit, I just want to share a little backstory to the event that I went to because it was so damn special. Now, on the day you're watching this, my podcast is coming out, second episode to be exact, and I had the privilege to interview this wonderful woman, Lorena, who has this platform on which she talks about Slavic mythology, archetypes, and things like that. Because we did that interview, she actually invited me to go to their event. The event was magical. It took place in the town that I'm living right now, on this super old family estate. It is full of antiques, of gold-plated everything, and it's in the middle of nature, even though it's in the capital, and all that jazz. It was just truly magical, and the workshop itself was just amazing. The workshop actually had a dress code, but unfortunately I couldn't oblige to it. Since the event is so magical and about stories and mythology and things like that, the organizers thought that it would be amazing if everyone wore something head to toe white. Unfortunately, I don't have anything head to toe white. I don't have white bottoms of any kind, so I couldn't oblige to that. And the day before, I was panicking and texting Lorena to ask her if it's okay if I could wear something non-white. She fortunately said yes, and this was a huge relief to me because I didn't have to go shopping then. And as you know, I'm doing a little detox at the moment. I'm at the month 15 of not buying any clothes at all. So it just didn't make sense to go out and buy something. I would only wear it once. I'm sorry if you can hear all the noises outside because my neighbors decided to, mow every lawn that we have in the neighborhood at the moment. And the other sound that you hear is my dog, who is really needed today, so there's that. Now, back to the outfit. When I got the green light not to wear all white outfit, I started thinking, what should I actually wear? The first thing that comes to mind is to wear something elegant, something old-fashioned, maybe even something Victorian era inspired. I decided that I definitely have to wear at least one vintage piece. In the end, I ended up wearing two vintage pieces. I still decided to wear as much of white or off-white that I could because I didn't want to, pop out as much when I get in the middle of all of the other activities. So let's begin with this shirt that is off-white. It is a beautiful vintage piece that I got from this vintage boutique store from Serbia a year and a half ago at this moment. It was my last shopping before starting a retail detox, so it will always have that special place in my heart. I love this blouse so much, or button-down shirt if you will, because it is silk, so it's super breathable and you can wear it in any season really, and it has this cute details of lace and laced back, and also it has fake pearl buttons, as you can see. I love this shirt because you don't have to wear much jewelry or anything with it, because it is by itself a statement piece, but not to in your eyes statement piece, but more toned down statement piece, if you know what I mean. The second piece is this beautiful, gorgeous dress. I'm in love with this dress. It is one of the last fast fashion pieces that I ever bought, so it's also gonna be forever special in my heart. I opt for this dress whenever I have to wear something special because I know that it will be super effective. But it also can work in some everyday moments because you can wear something over it and tone it down a little bit. That's the main part of the outfit. I just love the contrast of wearing this black, this almost heavy, but actually not heavy because it's faux leather, not real leather, and that silk shirt. I just think that it works wonderfully. It looks very Victorian, it looks like something from Pirates of the Caribbean maybe even, and I just loved it. People at the event also said that it was a good pick because it kind of reminds you of one of the goddesses that we talked about at the workshop, called Mokosh. Anyway, let's move on with our purse. The purse I used for this outfit was this beautiful hand-me-down that I got from my mother-in-law. It is a real leather and apparently it is locally handmade. I love this purse so much. It is so little, but surprisingly a lot of stuff can be put in it, and I just love it. Then we need the shoes. The shoes that I used for this outfit are these beautiful ankle boots, the only light paired or beige shoes that I have, and I just love wearing them. They are fast fashion, they are apparently real leather, but I'm not super sure about it because they were super cheap. And they go perfectly with this purse and also with this shirt. That would be the main outfit, and now just a few little accessories. I didn't want to go over the top because, as I already said, the shirt itself has those special little details that make it special and that make it statement, so that you don't need a lot of jewelry, but I still wanted to put on some. So let's start with the rings. I chose 2 rings for this occasion. These rings were gifted to me as part of an affiliate partnership, I don't know, maybe 3 or 4 years right now, and it never really worked out with them, but I still have the rings. And these are the rings. As you can see, they really go well with the theme of this outfit, and that is vintage. Even though this isn't a vintage piece, I think these are silicone-based pearls. And lastly, we have my pearl earrings. These are real pearl earrings that my parents got for me when they were visiting Macedonia. That would be all for this outfit. Now I will show you a little snippet of me wearing it in the actual workshop, so that you can see not only my outfit but the environment as well, so that you can actually, figure out if my outfit was misplaced there or was just right. I honestly felt when I was there that was the first time in a long time where my outfit wasn't standing out so much, where I didn't wear something over the top or something too extravagant. It just felt right. So there's that. Also, I want to take this opportunity to thank Lorena and Kristina, who were the organizers behind this workshop, for inviting me in, and I also want to thank Lorena for wanting to chat with me in my podcast, and I also want to thank Amplitude Magazine for giving me the opportunity to meet such inspiring people and go some places that I've never dreamt of even being possible. And in the end, I want to thank you for watching this video, for liking this video, for subscribing to this channel, and for your overall support. You are blowing me away. We just hit 8,600 overall views on this channel, which means that 10,000 is just around the corner, and I can't wait for it. Anyway, that will be all for this video. Sorry again for all the noise, and I just hope I will see you some other time. Bye!